Here at home, the question, what's in a name, has become a burning debate for a well-known local therapist. He's trying to open a new office over in Huntington Woods, but says one neighbor thinks the name of his business is too grown up for children to see. Our Paula Tutman dives into the debate to see what other people think.
Dr. Joe Court has a busy, fairly well-known, thriving therapy business in Huntington Woods. For the last 8 years, he has branded his practice the Center for Relationship and Sexual Health.
It means that I help couples with their relationship problems that are non-sexual, but then I also help couples and individuals that have sexual problems like infidelity and cheating, like sexual desire discrepancy, inability to have sex after cancer, prostate cancer, women after menopause.
His business has grown so much, he's outgrown his current location, and in 2 weeks is moving a half-mile north into new office space.
We have a bigger waiting room, which we need. We're having our waiting room's too small. We have this office.
Dr. Court says he has spent thousands on new furnishings. His build-out construction is built into payments in his lease, and he's all ready to move in. His sign has even been on the lobby marquee for several weeks, except, he says, according to his landlord, a soon-to-be neighboring physician complained about the name of his business, saying they don't like the idea of children heading into their practice and seeing the word sexual in the name of Dr. Court's practice.
The signage is about sexual health. It's not dirty. We're not sex workers. We're not sex offenders. We're not working with these individuals. We are working with people that need sex education.
The lease states that the landlord has final say on wording and signage. Only the landlord didn't have a problem with anything until the complaint from the fellow doctor came in. And now the landlord has said Dr. Joe Court of the Center for Relationship and Sexual Health will have to change the name of his business on any signage.
I've been a therapist 33 years. This is my brand.
We found 4 generations nearby. Molly, her mom, her grandmom, and her great-grandmom. And while they are not patients, we were curious about their thoughts on the word sexual in the signage in the Medical Arts Building.
I don't know, that seems a little outdated.
I like that he's open enough to say that that's what his practice is. If he's been doing it for this long, why not?
Because that's absurd. I mean, what century is he living in?
Did approach quite a few people and didn't find anybody else who thought that the complaint was warranted. But we know there are people out there who feel that way. We're going to post the story on my Facebook page, Local for Paula Tutman, because we would like to hear from you. Also, I did try to speak with a doctor. The office manager said they were not interested in speaking, and we did reach out to the landlord. Hours later, we are still waiting for a phone call. And Karen, apologies for the congestion. I'm getting over a little bit of a cold here.
I know, we're all dealing with that one. We appreciate it. Thank you, Paula.